A very good morning, Zimbabwe. So, the sad news we have today is that Apostle Baba Guti is said to have passed away. So, pana Davis Luck is sending my message of condolence to the family of and friends of Baba Guti, as well as the membership of Zaoga. Even though he was indeed blessed with a long life, no one gets tired of seeing people they love. If it pleases the Lord, may his departed soul find rest in eternity. And this is Baba Guti. He is said to have passed away. So I have seen a lot of messages. I have seen a lot of condolence messages being sent around by various people, different people from all angles of life, in politics, in church, all angles of life. We are seeing condolence messages trickling in. And personally, I sent my condolences to the Guti family as well as the Zaoga family. So it is what it is. God's time is unstoppable. God knows the day somebody is born. God knows the day somebody will die. God sets boundaries for each and every human being. So I believe this is God's doing. I believe that he lived his life to the fullest, and we cannot argue with God. We cannot tell God how to operate or how to do his own things. So, Team Zimbabwe, let us send condolences to this family. Let us unite during these difficult times. I know people might have different beliefs, different views, biblically, but or theologically, but this is not the time for that. This is the time for us as Zimbabweans to unite, console each other, and make sure that we dedicate our time to this long time preacher, Apostle Guti. So, Team Zimbabwe, it is what it is. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.